In this video, I'm going to show you how you can share your Canva file or design on Messenger. So there are a couple of different ways that you can do this. I'm going to show you all of your options. So at the end of the video, you have all of the information to make an informed decision. So go ahead and open up Canva. I'm assuming probably most of you use Canva on your computer. So open it up and find your design. Now, what you really need to ask yourself is, what is the purpose of sharing your design? Do you want someone to just be able to view it? Do you want them to have the actual file? What exactly are you trying to achieve here? So if you go to your Canva design, you can go to share in the top right hand corner, and if you go to see all, you can then click here on view only link. And once you've done that and enabled it, Canva are going to give you a view only link which you can go ahead and copy. Now this link, if you set it to view only, you can copy this and you can actually give this link to your friend on Messenger. So I'm going to just paste it into a web browser just to show you. If I paste this in, anyone with this link can now go and view this file. Now this is great if you want to share something but you don't want to essentially give them the file. You can copy this link, you can head over to Messenger and paste it in. Now what would you do if you want to actually send them the file? Well, first you need to download it, so go to share in the top right hand corner. Then you need to go ahead and download, so click the download button. Then you can download as your chosen file type and click download again. That will then download your file to your computer. If you're on the phone, you can do this exact same thing and save your file to your phone. Once you've got your file saved, head to Messenger. On the computer, you can attach up to 25 megabytes. So click on this file icon. Then choose your file, click open, and then send over your file. If you were on phone, you would just do this the exact same way, but you would follow the directions on phone. Now the final way you could do this, if you go share in the top right hand corner, you go see all, and then you scroll down, you can go to Facebook Messenger, but if you click on it, it's going to ask you to scan the QR code on your phone. It will then prompt you to download the Canva app. So you can either do it that way or you can do it the way I've just shown you.